It all began on a breezy spring morning when AumSum was admiring the cherry blossoms in full bloom. A gentle tickle rose in his nose and out came a mighty Achoo! That sneeze, however, never really ended. Another sneeze followed right after, and then another. At first, it was funny. His cereal bowl flew off the table. His socks shot across the room. Even his pet hamster looked impressed. But as the sneezing continued, things started getting out of hand. AumSum couldn't brush his teeth without spraying toothpaste across the mirror. He couldn't open a book without accidentally sneezing it shut. He once tried to blow up a balloon for a science project, but a sudden sneeze sent the balloon flying out the window and straight into the principal's car. His reputation at school transformed from quiet genius to the human tornado. Doctors scratched their heads. Was it allergies? A rare disorder? A magical nose? No one knew. Some suggested he live inside a bubble. Others said he should move to Antarctica, where there's less pollen. But AumSum just kept on sneezing in class, at the grocery store, even while trying to take a nap. Every Achoo felt like a miniature earthquake. As the days passed, AumSum began to notice strange things. Once, a sneeze knocked over a stack of books and revealed a secret trap door in the library. Another time, his sneeze popped the lid off a jar of fireflies, lighting up a dark hallway. Eventually, the town got used to the sneezing boy. Stores started keeping extra tissues. The school janitor wore goggles. His classmates invented a game called Dodge the Sneeze, which became more popular than tag. AumSum decided to take things in his own hands. He built a sneeze-proof backpack with automatic tissue dispensers and created a portable sneeze shield for crowded places.